Punta kaming sa work ni husband. Grabe, ang daming steps. Do you want a hat?
He's got one.
He got
I
one?
just don't want to use it.
Oh, you have? That's very dramatic of you. Do you want sunscreen, baby?
My phone's dying.
You what?
My phone's dying.
Do you have
Mom,
a
I
cord to
don't
plug
need-
it, in?
Too cool. What?
Truck. There's
Do we
a
have
cord.
anything to plug in?
Yeah.
Is it working?
An old Jeep has it?
Remember, I wired a temporary power source.
I did not
Very
know an old Jeep
temporary and
like this
crappy
could
job.
even supply.
But we'll see. Oh, no, I just be thinking, yeah, that's good.
You okay in there, Talon?
No.
No?
It's dying. Put it at the mirror so it actually reflects.
I can see it.
I can't.
Don't do that. On me.
Kind of hard for me to see.
I'm
Why?
already used to the sun now.
Already?
Yeah.
Already? When is the boat fixed?
Hmm.
The boat
Yeah, it's
fixed?
fixed. It's
Oh.
ready to go this weekend.
This weekend?
Probably
Okay.
Sunday we'll go out.
I think it's still cold. Right?
Hmm.
Is it not still cold? The water's still cold?
Oh, not bad. It's getting better every day.
Why is the other boat like tilting?
The other boat will be ready to go here in a few days too, so we can pick it up.
Why is it like tilting?
Tilting?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe some tires are sinking.
Oh, maybe. Punta kami sa trabaho. Late na. Lagi na lang late. To drive sa jeep niya. Ganun kasado dito. Ang off-road. Hindi mo
Because I can't put my feet out anymore to touch the floor and the grass.
hindi mini-maintain.
I need a great place to put Mom on the way home.
What?
Mom would probably fit back there better anyway.
What?
Nothing, my dear.
Maybe when we come back.
35, 33.
Maybe when we come back.
Yeah. That's what I said. Maybe on the way home you have to have it.
Going in the 30 miles? Yeah, 30 miles.
Must have been speeding the other day, good guy. I was going a lot
Itong
faster.
dinadrive na collector's jeep.
Road
Collector.
is smoother for some reason.
Saya-saya niya. Kasi lagi siya naghahan.
It's not.
Kaya lang, ang daming ginagawa niya. Ano ba? Yung nire-repair ng wire, yung pila, headlights, yung halos lahat. Ganda dito. Itong lugar namin, tourist spot. Pero famous din sa lubak-lubak na daan. Lubak-lubak na daan. Tourist. Itong dinadaanan namin na ito. County road, back road. Kaya ganito. Hindi mini-maintain. Tapos madalang lang din yung vehicle. Lalo na pag ganitong oras, tanghali. Basta, bebe. Tapos kadalasan dito mga ranchero. Wala pa din kami nadaanan na kasalubong na sa ibang sasakyan. Dito tayo. May munting sementeryo dyan. Tapos ito abandon. Yan, abandon siya. Historic. Ganda dito. Lapit lang sa itong daan na to. Papunta siya Dulce, New Mexico. Sobrang pangit. Hindi man lang mininting. Grabe. May bahay doon. Nakatago. Ah, grabe. Malapit na tayo sa boundary. Ito na yung boundary between Colorado and New Mexico. Entering Ecriella Apache Indian. New Mexico na ito. Bawal mag-fishing sa kanila. Oops! Grabe. Lalo pa yung maulan. Sobrang madulas. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-drive ng sasakyan na, lilipin ka talaga sa putik. Lalo pa hindi ka, yung sasakyan mo hindi 4-wheel. Huwag na lang. Hindi mo kayanin. Mag-hike ka na lang. Ang ganda sana daanan dito. Kasi puro green. Kaya lang, grabe ang pangit naman. Daanan. Parang nag-contest lang sila kung sino mas pangit. mga bato ba? Ano? Oops. Malapit na tayo sa Sementado. May daan din dyan papuntang ano. Iban. Daan yata. Water dam. Iskoy. Grabe. Ito na. Oh, okay. Gingihi daw siya dito. Really?
The gear shifts and stuff.
Hickarila Apache Tribal
I wasn't even
Lane.
using the charger. My phone isn't even kind of dead. It's at
Oh,
75.
it's
I'm gonna
it-
use it now.
Is it working?
Let me test it. Yes, it is.
Iyan yung old ano ba water station para sa
You're on
train.
fast charging?
You are? Is it full charge?
Wait, why is the Jeep charger actually good?
Really? Because it's new.
No, it said it was fast charging.
Oh,
Or I turned on fast charging. Maybe my phone is now using more power.
I don't know, bebe.
Maybe it's like forcing the Jeep to give it more power. I need it.
Are you sure you made it up?
Oh, what? My phone's now at 80%. Literally, like 6 seconds ago, it was at 75.
Oh, so it's tripping on you, right?
How is this that fast? This is
I
actually
wired
faster
it.
than our
Huh?
house.
Because I wired it. That's why it's that fast.
Because Dad's wire it.
He wired it like directly into the battery.
No.
I was like, how did you do that?
Because anyway, this will work the way it's meant to now.
Oh, I see now.
What did you see?
Yeah, I now see the
Oh, okay.
speedometer.
Okay. I can.
Playing some,
I can barely
Eminem
see.
right now.
Madaming tao dito minsan nag-aan sila. Liligo, ka-camping. Camping site nila to. Ito eh. Picnic ba? Family. Pag ano, may family
Ah.
days.
Better tire carrier to make me sad.
Oo. Ah, tired of those ganda ng view. Daming kahoy na namamatay doon. Gawa ng sobrang init. Pagkatakot yan pag may kidlat. Kasunog. Fresh air. It's really tangled. Tangle. Back din. Bump. Malapit na tayo sa nila. Sa town nila. Ano nila yan? Dump station. Feels like 60.
Almost 50. There you go, 45.
Ito na, town nila. Dosi. Indian tribe. Ay! My hat. The wind is going this side.
I know, right? I'll start putting your hair up when you go in the Jeep from here.
Huh? But I'm using my hat.
Uh,
I'm using my hat. It won't fit in my...
Braid it then, whatever it needs to do.
Ito yung town nila. Maliit lang. Madaming dito, Filipina na teacher. Ewan ko kung paano sila nag-apply. Basta madami silang teacher dito. Four ways. Kung sino yung naunang nag-stop yun yung maunang nag-go. Maliit lang yung town nila.
I really want to show the town how for the biscuit, big guy.
Kakagutom pala yung ano? Trip na yun. Ano din siya? May gitsang oras. Hindi pa kami dumating doon sa shop. Punta na kami shop. Ah!
Hang on for dear life.
Taliksik na.
Did you bring food or should we go to San
Yeah, I have food in here. Good. Ambon na. Naambon. Malapit na tayo sa shop. Lalagyan ni Mark ng wiring. Tapos na mga ilaw. Ayun yung shop. Ayan. Steven there? Yeah, I see his
I
truck.
think it's his body.
I see his truck.
Maybe Steve's there. I know his buddy planned on rebuilding his engine or something there.
Ah, okay. Ayan. Dito na.
Home from work,
Nagkakagutom pala
been
yun.
loading rail cars with lumber and stuff,
Grabe.
and we were working extra because it was Thursday night. So we got big boom. It was heavy building.
Ayun yung mga light na ilalagay niya. Ano?
Yeah, we were loading out.
2, 4, 6 pieces.
Bring rail cars on our spur every
Lalakyan.
shift. Yeah, we were moving lumber. Okay, like 19,
Sige guys.
11, 20.
Thank you for watching. Kakain muna ako kasi kakagutom yung biyahe.
On that thing.
Bye.
And past the car,